Okay guys, welcome to another unconventional video. Let me start my car. And it turns on and everything looks good, right? And here, if I try to turn on my AC, it will go on for a few seconds and will just turn off by itself. Just wait for this light here. And it just turned off by itself, as I said right now. And everything else seems good. I'm hoping you'll notice something here, but anyway, let me go on the front. That flickering is because of the frequency and frame rate of the camera. Nothing is flickering. Even that light there is not actually flickering in real life, but the camera makes it so. The car is on and running. Let's open the hood real quick and let me show you what's not functioning under the hood. And let's see. And I'm not sure, if you're not a mechanic, maybe you don't realize what's not functioning here, but that right there, if you see it, I don't want to put my hand there because the fan is going on. Right there is the AC compressor that's not spinning, and it's supposed to be spinning. Now let me go back inside the car and show you why it is not spinning. And the reason it is not spinning is right here. If you look at this one here, this eco button, this eco garbage is a very dangerous feature for your car. No, I'm not a mechanic. No, I'm not giving you mechanical advice, but ask older mechanics and ask even Mercedes-Benz engineers themselves. They'll tell you the truth, because that's what I was told by an actual Mercedes-Benz engineer himself, that this AC compressor was broken because of the eco mode. And what this eco mode does is when you're driving and you stop for a short period of time at either at a red light or traffic or whatnot, this shuts off your engine and it turns it back on, and so on and so forth. Yes, there's another danger with the whole oil thing going on the engine, with the starter itself that's wearing up even more. And yeah, I heard the argument that, oh, but they are electronic. Well, starters have been electronic since the 90s. There's nothing new on that. So that doesn't fly. Now there's this other part with the AC that a lot of people are not talking about, and they just go, oh yeah, maybe my AC went out because, it was time. No, it was not time. This is not an old car. Then the AC went out because of the eco mode starting and stopping. When the AC was on and the car would turn off because of the eco mode, the AC would just shut off mid-work. When the piston would be mid-work, boom, would just shut off because, of course, we are saving gas. And by the way, I tested it in 6 months, at around 5,000 miles almost driving this car. Guess how much gas I saved with the eco mode on before I knew that it was actually destroying my car? 0.8 gallons. That's 0.8 gallons. Not even one full gallon did it save me. Was it worth it to save, what's that, $3 gas in 6 months and break $1,800 AC compressor in this car? Was it worth it? No, I don't think so. I do not think so. And yes, if you want to save yourself, find a way to turn this off. Every time you get in the car, turn the car on, click this garbage here off, because this is destroying your car beyond belief. This is one feature that I would say was the worst thing to ever be invented in a gasoline car. If it was a battery operated car or a Toyota, whatever you call the hybrids, that's fine, that's a different story. But not in a gasoline mechanical car. This is wrong. This is destroying people's livelihood. $1,800, you don't find that on the street just walking, I guess, right? And if I go to Mercedes, they're not gonna fix it for free either. It'll be probably even more than $1,800. And if I blame them for the eco, oh yeah, they're gonna say that they're saving this and that and all that. Those are complete lies. They're lies. Those are lies. The eco button in a gasoline-powered car will destroy your car beyond return. So every time you get in your car, put the key on, this thing comes on, turn it off. And if any of you guys know how to turn this off on a Mercedes, this particular one is a GLK 350, please let me know, how do you permanently turn this button off before it destroys further stuff in my car? It's making my car feel like it's from the 50s. Things just breaking left and right. And no, it's not due to being a Mercedes. Is I actually take this car regularly to the mechanic, and somehow this eco mode is being blamed every time. And with that said, I hope you got something out of this video, and please watch out on there. You know, not all the features are your friends for your vehicle. And we'll see you next time. Bye!